Oh, time for the night shift. Oh, ring, ring, ring. Oh, I gotta go take that. Ring, 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 ring. I need to get there fast. It's probably my boss giving me my paycheck. Ring, ring, ring. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Someone tampered with the animatronics last night, so now it's getting a little quirky. Make sure you don't stare at them. Make sure you don't stare at the animatronic for too long, or it will move and it will hurt you. So make sure you watch him. But you could stab him with the stick and he'll go back. Okay, good. Okay, so I'll let you be it. Wait, make sure he can leave the arcade. What? He can leave the arcade? He can leave the arcade? The animatronic can leave the arcade? What? Oh no, 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 no. Do not leave the arcade. Oh, good thing I don't want to die.
Battery powering off.
Wait, I think he can kill me. Oh no, I need to go back to my office. If he gets to my office, I'm stabbing him. Checking. I have to repair all these stuff. Oh, I started changing out this light. Good. Light. I need to repair this stuff. Let's go check on him. Oh, hey, get back here. Good thing I'm still able. I have to repair everything else in here. With him in it. That's gonna be. This way. I have to power him off, and then I have to power him back on. Power off. Okay. I'm gonna repair this. Is he moving? Repair that. I don't have that much stuff to repair, and then I'm able to leave. Oh, I'll repair the TV, of course. Everybody else watching SpongeBob? Eating pizza while watching them? Gotta change this battery. Three, two, one. Yeah, that still works. That still works. Does this one still work? Hey, hey. Does this still work? Yes, it still work. Does this one still work? Yep. This one still works? Yep. This one still work? Hey! Does this still work? No, it still works, but hey, the cord. No, this one's quirky. Oh, this one's messed up. He tampered with it. He moved it. Buttons still work. Still works. Buttons, the points and things still works. Okay. I need to check the vending machines. All of them still work. Tampering. All of them. They still work. Hey. Go back. Get back to your spots. All of them except the...
Please leave the arcade. We are temporarily closed.
Right here. Power off. I'll turn it up, move back on. All of them except the chocolate ice cubes there. Here, refill.
Entering backup power.
God damn it, I fucking turned you off. Turn off. Refill. Oh, that's refilled. All this is refilled. Good. Turn back on. Stay right there. Oh, finally, 6 a.m. Able to leave this place. Yes. Oh, yes.